In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly cut and remove unwanted sections from a clip in Premiere Pro. First, bring your video into the timeline from the project panel, drag your clip onto a video track. If audio comes along, it will appear below as an audio track. This puts everything in place so you can see and edit your footage. And if you have multiple clips, pick the one you want and place it on your primary video track at the starting point you prefer. Press play and watch through until the moment where the unwanted part begins. Pause on the exact frame you want the removal to start. The blue playhead marks your cut point and tells the software precisely where to split. If you're unsure, nudge frame by frame with the arrow keys to land precisely at the start of the section you want to remove. Use the razor tool by pressing C and clicking on the clip at the playhead, or keep the selection tool active and use Ctrl+K on Windows or CMD+K on Mac to perform a cut at the playhead. The razor tool icon looks like a small razor blade in the toolbar. Make sure the correct track is targeted so the split happens on the clip you intend. Continue playing or scrub forward to where you want the action to resume. Pause on that frame and make a second cut with the razor tool or the same shortcut. You now have a separate middle segment that contains the part you don't want. Click that middle segment to select it and press delete. That removes the unwanted section and leaves a gap in the timeline, which is normal. Remember, this is non-destructive. You can undo at any time with Ctrl+Z or CMD+Z. To close the gap, you can simply drag the following clip left until it snaps against the first one. If you prefer a faster, timeline-wide pull, right-click directly on the empty gap and choose Ripple Delete. Ripple Delete collapses the space and shifts everything after the gap to the left in one move, keeping your edit tight and your timing consistent. It won't trim off any content, it just closes the space and maintains sync, which is especially handy in longer timelines. If precision matters, zoom in on the timeline so you can place cuts confidently. Snapping helps clips align, so keep it enabled for clean joins. When using the keyboard cut, be aware that it cuts targeted tracks at the playhead. Check your track targeting toggles so you only cut what you intend. Once the gap is closed, play across the edit to confirm it flows the way you expect. Everything you've done is adjustable so you can move the cuts or extend either side by dragging the clip edges. That's it. Find the start,